All right, we gotta find the solutions for this bad boy. So again, we think of this like ax squared plus bx plus c. By the way, you know what? If I were to do this test, I would write out the formula, even though I know what the formula is. I know this, okay? Why? Because it slows my brain down. I'm doing one thing at a time. By writing things down, I'm going, okay, what is A? Well, A is equal to the 1 that's in front of this thing. So A equals 1. B is the number in front of just x to the first power, then it's 10. C then would be 21, positive 21. And so by writing out all these steps, it makes it easier for me. B is equal to 10, and A times C is equal to 1 times 2. So the AC method works like this. I need to think of two numbers that when I multiply them, they equal 2. But when I subtract them or add them, they equal 10. Oh, wait, it's 21, not 2. So this is 21. All right. It's 7 and 3, right? 7 times 3 equals 21. And 7 plus 3 equals 10. So what does that mean? Well, that means I'm going to say x squared plus 7x plus 3x plus 21. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this 10x and I'm splitting it up into two terms, 7x and 3x. So then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take these first two terms, see if I can factor something out of those, and take the last two terms and see what I can factor out of those. Now, the only thing I can factor out of these two terms in the front is an x. They both have an x. So then I got to multiply that by x plus 7. Again, it's a good habit to go back and say, okay, what's this times this? Well, x times x is x squared. So far, so good. X times 7 is 7x. Works out so far. Now, if I'm doing things right, I should be able to factor something out here, and in this one, get x plus 7. Well, 3 is divisible by 3, and so is 21. So if I pull out a 3, I'm going to pull out a positive 3. Then I got to go back and see if I multiply this out, if it's the same. In other words, 3 times x does equal positive 3x. Positive 3 times positive 7 does equal positive 21. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is factor out x plus 7 out of both terms. So I'm going to toss that to the front, and I'm going to say x plus 7. Well, what's left over? X plus 3. And that's equal to 0. Well, the only way I can guarantee that I get 0 is if x plus 7 is equal to 0, or if x plus 3 is equal to 0. I'm going to subtract 7 from this side, subtract 7 from this side, and I get x equals negative 7. Over here, I'm going to subtract 3. Oops, got a little carried away. Here, I'm going to subtract 3. And here, I'm going to subtract 3. And x equals negative 3. Oh, that 7 looks like a 2, doesn't it? Oh, perfect now. Now, how can I verify that these are my two solutions? X equals negative 7 and x equals negative 3. What do you think I can do? Well, same thing we did on all the other problems. I'm going to graph it. So I'm going to pull up my calculator. And I'm going to graph x squared plus 10x. You guys should be practicing this on your calculators. Hint, hint. Equals 21. What? I should have cleared that out, huh? We'll just start over. X squared plus 10x plus 21. Graph it. And as you could see, it crosses right here at -3 and -7. So right here, I have -7, 0. And right here, I have -3, 0. Okay? Any questions on that?